Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2005 John Deere 17 ZTS mini excavator. Got my good buddy Robert on the sticks today. He is our certified operator for the moment, and we are going to go through this thing inside and out. It starts right up, sounds great. It's got very low hours, I think 817 hours, 816 hours on it. So a very low hour machine. This came out of a local company here in Maryland. Everything operates as it should as far as we're concerned. It is a one owner. We've bought a few of these out of this company and got a few more coming. So if you're interested in more than one, you definitely got a package deal. I think I've got 3 more to be listed here. But just nice little compact machines. They're under 4,000 pounds, 13 horsepower. Got an Isuzu diesel. This thing operates as it should. Got a blade up front. Just comes with one bucket. Does have auxiliary hydraulics, as you can see, and it is a swing boom. Tracks are rubber. They are in nice condition. Operates as it should, as you can see. The hydraulics feel pretty tight. It does have a little sloppiness to it just because of the age. I believe they use this machine kind of on asphalt and pavement. But it does start right up and operate. It does everything it's supposed to do. It's a nice little compact tractor. You can pull this thing with an F-150 and not have a heavy duty truck to pull this thing. It is a 2-speed machine. Tracks and sprockets look like they're in nice condition. The undercarriage all looks pretty nice and tight. Seems to operate as it should. Operator seat does have a tear in it, and it does have some minor rust and some scrape scratches, things like that throughout the machine, but it's got LED lights around up front. You can see Robert just turned those on there. And again, this is a 2-speed machine, so does get around pretty quickly, but we don't notice any leaks, any major areas of concern with this one. It seems to run and operate as it should. Nice compact little machine with very low hours. Very easy to operate. Starting to think Robert is a little bit underpaid here. He could be a operator for some big company and get paid a lot more than he gets paid here, but we're happy to have him. We'll open up this engine compartment here and show you that. Like you said, it's a little Isuzu diesel. And it sounds great. There's like a little kit in there. You can see this operator seat does have a tear in it, but the foam looks nice, so you can potentially just get away with recovering the seat if you wanted to. Our stick controls here. forward, backward bucket controls. Swing operation. 816 hours on this thing, so very low hours. These are lights. This is to disable the backup alarm, or moving alarm rather. It's just a nice little machine. Got our hydraulic lock there. But overall, it's a nice machine that you hop in, get right to work, and has no hiccups. It is a used machine, so it's got some minor imperfections, cosmetically mostly. There's no major issues that we can see. It does have a little bit of rust, some surface rust. But it seems like everything seems to function correctly and as it should. Nice little machine, a low hour machine. Hard to find a nice little compact excavator, but we got one here today. You can check this thing out for sale on eBay. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message. I'd be happy to help you. I can help with shipping on this. Just give me a call and I'll give you a quote on that. We are Lewis Motor Company. We're located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. Got any questions on this thing? Feel free to reach out. Our website is lewistrucks.com. That's L-E-W-I-S, truckswithanes.com. Got our contact information on there, as well as this machine and some other trucks and equipment on there as well. Thank you guys for watching.